Yes, good morning, guys. So this is going to be a bit of an unprepared video slash talk, but I just wanted to talk about having realistic expectations because I get a lot of messages on Telegram and Twitter about from people that are talking about trading from their phones, how they can approach it the best way, etc. There is no best way to trade from a phone. These people, there's so many people that think they can just trade from a phone and make money like that, but it's not the case. It's just a big problem that this industry has right now because there's a lot of people marketing trading, they're selling trading, but they're not actually trading themselves. And because of this, a lot of people think it's very easy to make money trading. So they potentially quit the school, the job, thinking they can just make some money from their phone, but it's absolutely not true. Trading is a real career, and you need years and years and years of hard work, studying, finding the right people, and then still you can fail at this. And it's sad that a lot of people just they fall into the trap of these marketers that sell them trading but don't actually trade. Just the other day, I got a message from a guy who was asking me about trading from his phone, and he was in college, and I won't tell his name here, but it sounded like he was willing to drop out to trade from a phone. And luckily, I could get that idea out of his head, but a lot of people are this way, and it's just sad. You really need realistic expectations. So, number one, if you want to get into trading, don't just do it for the money, right? If you want extra money, just invest in some long-term index funds every month. Get a good job that pays you good and that you like. That's the best option if you only want money. Only go into trading if you really like it. Besides from the money, and if you really like the market, if you really like the game, if you really like to keep improving all the time, if you really like to be a student all the time, because you're never finished in this business, there's always something you can learn, and there's always something you need to learn. You always need to keep improving your edge, because if you don't, your edge can possibly go away, and you will start losing money. So you're never done, and you need to accept that, and you need to know that before you start with this. Also, can you work for years without earning an income? Because that's what you're going to do. You're going to trade for years and years and years, testing things out and learning and learning and learning and journaling and watching things back and again without making money for years. And is that something you can do? Do you need money right now? Do you have time? Do you have the discipline to get through this time? And it's very important to ask yourself these questions before you get into trading, because otherwise you just fall in the trap. You buy a course and you help these marketers get their money, but you don't learn anything. So please don't trade from a phone, and know what trading is about. It's a real career, and it's not something you can do on the side like a lot of people tell you. It's not something where you get a Lamborghini in 2 years. It's not going to happen. So please have realistic expectations and don't fall for these traps, okay? So there was a little rant, but I just got very sick of those people that just ask me about trading from a phone and all these other kinds of questions. It's ridiculous, and it really breaks my heart when some people just quit a good paying job to trade from a phone and thinking they can make money within a year because someone told him. It's absolutely not true. So I hope a lot of people watch this and get a realistic expectation about trading. So yes, I'll speak to you guys next time.